Check mic, 1, 2. Alright. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Kung saan we talk about making money. We talk about trading, we talk about stock market in general. Pero other opportunities out there, we also talk about it. Let me just prepare the chat room. Hindi kasi lumalabas yung mga pangalan. I want your names to be shown on the screen. There we go. Jalerios, thank you so much for the like. Ishi Marimat, good evening. Alfredo Kiso, magandang gabi. Yeah, update tayo, PSEi. Right, PSEi, another red day. Negative 271 million net foreign selling. That's to be expected because we are starting to hit resistances, which is around 7,000 right here. 6,924 already. 0.37 negative 25 points. Pero yeah, sorry. Yung screen na share, it's not the right screen. Whenever I turn off a monitor kasi it becomes a problem. But anyways, yan. Magandang gabi po, magandang gabi. MAB, LRW is did go up. Wala namang ganong ganap, so I think this not gonna be a long evening for us. What's doing Philippine Stock Exchange, strategy lang pag ganito ang market talaga is really turtle up, right? Turtle up and then wait for the opportunities to come again, right? Remember, kahit na it's nice to trade right now kung may mga position, good. But when the market drops kasi, investors tend to pull back, right? Investors tend to hold their money and not buy. So yung mga stocks ninyo na nag-uptrend or may support na at gusto niyo i-trade or nag-breakout, naapektuhan yon. Since money is not flowing into the stock market, there's a high chance na yung money niyan hindi nagtitrickle sa stock ninyo. Kaya mahirapan yan yung technical analysis. That's the reason why pag ganito nasa resistances, we tend to become more cautious with our trades. Unless napakaganda ng support, unless super ganda ng breakout, or unless ganda ng momentum ng trade, yun ang trade natin. But for stocks, especially na medyo tagilid yung volume, medyo tagilid yung technical analysis, medyo tagilid yung support, as much as possible, wag na lang muna i-trade. If you can risk your money, at least risk a small portion of your money lang. Para pag nag-recover na ang market, right? Pag nag-recover ang market, you will have enough, ang tawag dyan, bala, right? Ammunition for the right time. Kasi pag ganito, pag nag-downtrend ng market, maepektuhan yung stock ninyo. Kasi it's already at resistance, right? Pag after resistance, it should drop like this one, most probably. Hindi tayo manghula. But if it drops like this one, maapektuhan po ang stocks ninyo, yung trades ninyo. So, it might drop also. So, konting ingat po pag nasa ganitong level ng market. Alright? Gonna go to the comments. Nga pala, little request from my end, please share this video. Please share this video to your friends, your relatives, to your trading groups. Yan yung pinaka-importante. The trading groups kasi maraming newbies nag-join dyan. Please share this to them para at least magabayan yung journey nila when it comes to investing. If we are able to guide them, we should be able to help the market. Yun yung goal talaga natin. Kasi itong mga baguhan na ito, pag hindi natin nagabayan, they will tend to quit because for sure, there's a very high probability that they're gonna lose their money. Okay? So, gabayan natin para maganahan sila at kung alam nila ang gagawin nila early on in their journey, then they will be putting more money and that will help the market even more. Diba? So, it will benefit us also. So, please share this video. Yan, a little request from our end. Tulungan niyo po kami sa goal namin to reach more Filipinos and guide them in their stock market journey. Alright, I'm gonna go to the comments. Chill music muna tayo. Alright, there we go. Naririnig ba ang background music? Alright, I think so. Alright, let's go to the comments. Ishi, Marimat, ayan, most punctual, syempre. Alfredo Kiso also is always here every night. Rowena Villa, ayan, ito yung mga, ito yung mga, laging katambay natin. Gigi Maris, good evening din. Legelarius, good evening. Idol Lloyd, idol rin ko rin kayo. Michi Gonzalez, good evening. Sir Lloyd, alam nyo ba ano ang nangyari kay JagX? JagX, did it drop? JagX. Amazing. Gap up the other day. I'm not sure what happened, but yeah, I'm a big fan of JagX, right? Right. May JAGX ba ako na position? Alright, so, meron akong JAGX pero hindi naman gumagalaw. The current price dito, laki pa nga ng negative ng JAGX ko eh. So I'm not really sure what happened right there. But, yeah, let me share my screen. I am keeping my portfolio public naman eh. So, I am already up 100, what do you call this? 107% for Globe's GSAT. 10% for Tesla. May American Airlines, medyo bumagsak sa American Airlines because of the Delta variant. JAGX ko, negative 59% pa naman. But looking at the chart, should be up crazy, right? So, my opening should be 31.26. If ever it's at, no, not 31.26. Ngayon ko na to eh. Units to. 573, 9.84 nung nag-average down ako. Gonna be averaging down if ever. Pero ang ganda ng ang ganda ng support dito. Look at that support. Beautiful support na gap up. I'm not really sure what happened. Right? Hindi ko alam ano nangyari. But if you were able to get in that support, tingnan nga natin if sunod yung technical analysis. Medyo napabayaan ko yung eToro na portfolio ko eh. Linive ko lang yung mga assets na maganda pa rin yung position. Like JAGX, maganda kasi yung position ni JAGX kaya hindi ko binibenta. But there it is. Divergence all the way, right? So this support right here, the initial support right here was the divergence signal. That's a buy. Meron ditong on this sideways. Yeah, beautiful support right there. If ever sinakyan nyo yung support na yan, congratulations. Or pumasok yung sa support nito, congratulations. That's a massive win for you guys. Ilang percentage ang akyat nito? I'm not really sure why it's not reflecting on my eToro, on my account, but it went up 157%. Anong nangyari? Created new Izanagi account, Sir Earl John Gunto. Sulit so far, so I decided to create another one. Alright, congratulations, man. Sayang. This is the best time to create another one since my promotion, CXM, na double your investment, diba? If you haven't started Izanagi yet, you're missing out. Sayang naman. It's your chance to diversify into Forex na hindi nyo kailangan bantayan. Pinakamasakit sa ulo lang simulan. Creating the account, funding the account, setting up the bot, but once it's set up, it's leave there and it's already passive income at that point. Thank you so much sa nagpadala na star. Mitzi, I'm not really sure what happened to JAGX, but if you're able to get in JAGX, congratulations. It's not reflecting, the gains is not reflecting on my eToro. So, I'm not sure if this climb right here is legitimate. Okay? Kasi hindi nagre-reflect sa eToro eh. So, I'm gonna be looking at this evening. Okay, what happened right here. But congratulations. Artsy, Gams, good evening Sir Lloyd from CDO. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan sa mga kapatid natin nasa CDO, especially Artsy. Benedict, mayang gabi sir. Good evening to you. Rosario Rosal also. Artsy, what's your technical analysis about C98 USDT? Alright, so crypto tayo. May nag-request about crypto. Yeah, let's check it out. C98 USDT. So far so good. Support is right here. The best technical analysis right now, support is right here. It's going sideways. That's your best entry point. Hopefully, makapasok kayo sa support area. Ganda umakyat na. So, it's already between support and resistance. It's gonna be very challenging to trade this. So, I will not trade this at this point. If ever bigyan ako ng opportunity sa support, I would trade this if I like this. Hindi ko lang kilala talaga ang fundamentals ng crypto na ito. Nag-split share po ata ang JAGX. Alright, I see. Kaya pala. Right. So, most probably that's the case. Hindi naman gumalaw talaga ang stock. So, that's still okay. That's still good. Anyways, let's move forward. That's for Artsy. Created new account for Earl John Ginto. Alright, created new account for Izanagi account. So far, I decided to create another. Thank you sa pag-encourage sa amin. You're welcome, man. Speaking of Izanagi, nakalimutan ko open ito in advanced. Izanagi. Yan. So, our Izanagi account, yung main account ko is already up 162%. Right? That is just in 9 months. Crazy grains. And again, ang sakit sa ulo lang nito talaga is setting up the account for the VPS, etc., funding it. And then it's been running for 9 months. This is already passive income. Sobrang sulit linagay na pera ko dito. Right, I'm gonna be opening my other account. Musta na ba to? Log in, sign in. Right, should be in. Tingnan nga natin. Si Izanagi ko na, eto naman, isang public account natin na naka-out yung naka-out talaga yung, what do you call this, yung results. Yung pera talaga na value. Gumawa ako ng dalawang $500 account. This one started August 22. It's already up 2.47% as of today. So, good growth right there for Izanagi. And then, sa Valkyrie naman natin, let me open my Valkyrie. Right, si Valkyrie naman, maganda ang close nito kanina. I was watching this. 6.82% already. This started last July 19. Has started with $500. Now has $534. That's 6.82% gains in 2 months. Not bad. Diba? Sobrang not bad. Maliit pa lang ang linagay ko dito. $500 lang. What if you put in $500,000 or $1 million? If you have that extra funds, put it here. Lakan ng 6.82%. Right? Maliit lang tignan ito, $34 because I only put in $500 dito kasi public ko nga ito. Ang point ko dito is the performance and I want to show it to you na this is real money. Right? So, Valkyrie and Izanagi, sa mga nanonood dyan na wala pa, Valkyrie and Izanagi is bot trading. It's a program that will trade your account for you. So, wala kayong gagawin. The advantage is 24/7 po siyang naka-on. So, whenever an buy opportunity or sell opportunity opens, then si bot na po bahala mag-trade sa inyo. Right now, what I'm earning is already passive income. Then again, this is Forex. So, risks are involved. I hope you understand the risks involved in Forex. First, check the video about Izanagi and Valkyrie in the video description, and then andyan din po yung registration should you want to join it. I really want to emphasize on Izanagi because si XM may promo ngayon na double your investment. Meaning, if maglalagay ka ng $100, dodoblehin yan, gagawin $200 ni XM. If you put in $500, XM is going to be adding another $500. That's 25,000 pesos worth of buying power, right? And there's 62 viewers right now dito sa Facebook natin. That's how much money XM is giving out to everyone, buying power to everyone. So hopefully you take advantage of it. More video, check the video first before you register, and then po sa video description yung links. Alright. Congratulations, Earl John. Sherwin Sabater, shoutout po kay Jamel. Kapit lang sa Pamana stocks. Alright, ano ba yung mga Pamana stocks na kinuha ninyo, Sherwin? Alright, Mitzi Gonzalez, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng 1-for-3 reverse split? Kasi, JAGX. Alright, 1-for-3 reverse split. JAGX na close ang position ko po. I'm not sure bakit na close ang position nyo. I will check it out muna. Alright? It's a stock split and 1:3 ang stock split niya. Kaya siguro negative 59 ako. But, nag-triple. Most probably nag-triple. Yung, for one stock, naging 3. But the value will also drop. Kaya tignan nga natin. Same amount, the units lang, most probably nag-split, right? Naging 3. If you, let's say for example, you have 100 stocks or 100 units of that asset, you have 100 units of that asset before, okay? Magiging 300 units. Pero yung value naman ng average nyo is split in half. Yung value, I mean, not ang average nyo, but the value of the stock, let's say it is at $30, magiging $10 na lang, right? Per stock, right? That's the reason why. Right? Not really, hindi ko napansin bakit ganun ang galawan niya, but I'll have to look at it more. It's a 1-for-3 stock split, so most probably nag-triple yung units na hawak ninyo. Alright, G-Boy Dads, good evening, sir. Good evening, Jelerios Idol. Kindly check LHC, please. Let's check out the charting of LHC. Ayan. Medyo overall, okay naman ang trend niya. Right? This is the breakout right here. That's the best entry point. Hopefully, napasok nyo dyan. Ngayon, it's no longer a buy for me. Bearish signals from this point. And that's a bearish signal right there. So, and I'm not a fan of stocks na nakalipad na. This is already way up there. We talked about LHC when it created the support right here. Nung nag-breakout siya dito and dito. Those were very good entry points. Pullbacks. Those are entries. Wag dito sa taas, right? I'm not a fan of this asset anymore. So I'm not gonna be recommending LHC. Si Zedus. Etnamatsu. Bustamante. Zudes. Ang hirap ng pangalan nyo, ba't binabaliktad din nyo? I am compelled to read it kasi napaka-awkward sa basahin yung pangalan nyo na nakabaliktad. Usually, may mga nagpabaliktad ng mga pangalan. Yan yung mga may sinaktan, may iniwan, may ginost. Okay lang kung ganun. Wag lang ginoghost na utang. Right? So, yeah. Biro lang po. Right? It's your name. It's up to you. But thank you so much for the 75 stars. Pwede po yan. Pangkape natin. Thank you so much. Nancy Catilo. Sir, pa-check po ng Moderna, Amazon sa global. Let's check out Moderna. MDRNA. Alright. So, Moderna, nag-collapse ng saglit. Now, it's moving sideways. Nag-breakout siya dyan. The problem here is there's a massive resistance right here. So, short-term trade, okay naman to for short-term trade. If this bounces, then that is the short-term support right there. And then trade it right here and then sell it right there. Pwede pong ganun ang strategy for Moderna with its current position. Going to Amazon, AMZN for global. Alright, Amazon, congratulations sa mga nakasakay kay Amazon, especially on buying this support for Amazon. Massive support right there. Congratulations with this reversal. You know where to pick this up. As much as possible, pick up the dip lang muna. Right? Let it dip before you really want to get in Amazon right now. Right, sir, check po Moderna Amazon. This is from Nancy. We'd love to answer that. Nancy Catilo, you're welcome. Good evening, Marilo Rubio. Ran Tabilas nag-split shared ata ang Jagex, right? D5, Ed, good evening, sir. Kamusta, Ed? Thoughts on NAS all, sir? NAS all, sana all. Alright, sir. Norwegian Air Shuttle, sir. Alright, let's check it out. I'm gonna be using pro charts dito of eToro kasi hindi na pull up yung asset na yan dito sa Investorgrams. Alright, NAS all. Norwegian Air Shuttle. Lakas na support ba na? Hindi. If you look at it closer, medyo okay na. Right, major supports right here at this level, but RSI is already starting to shoot up. Right, I'm not really sure what caused this drop right here. I'm not really sure. It's still on a downtrend overall, pero mukhang engulfing pattern, pullback, bounce. That's the support right there. That's a good support for if you want to short-term trade. This one right here, 948 is the massive support. That's gonna be the best entry point. But I guess this is a buy. Then just cut loss below that, right? For NASOL. Archie Gams, thank you so much, Sir Lloyd. God bless you too, man. Maggie Legado, Sir Lloyd, my guide kayo for how to create Izanagi account. Right, actually, if ever, di ba nasa link ngayon? Nasa registration link. Right, so let me show it to you guys. Example, you wanna check out Stocks Ed, our live right now. Kung gusto nyo pong tignan. Right, dito po, click on see more. There is register for Izanagi bot trading right here. There's a link. Click on it sa live natin ngayon. And then it will bring you to the Izanagi Google Forms. And dito po, create number 1, ito yung mga instructions for first-time users without XM account yet. Create EA account through this link. And dyan po yung instructions. Type of options, micro account, swap free, no, free standard, free credits up to 50%. And just go for the standard, right?
Izanagi?
Izanagi. Micro. Micro, then 1B. What's 1B, Jaya? Swap free. Micro.
If moment or if naana kayo ko
Kung meron ka ng account, pwede nyo i-swap dito. So, just go for the micro account. Andito po yung instructions, right? If you already have an XM account, andito rin yung instructions pa rin. So, just follow this and then send me a message dito sa page na ito. Wag dito sa StocksEd because StocksEd is a different group. Etong bot trading kasi is under me. It's a project with different individuals outside from StocksEd. Yeah, go to this page right here, bot trading PH. Right, search this page or just click on it. Andyan po sa video description. Dito kayo mag-send ng message sa akin. Right, because we will be answering it for you guys. Alright, going back. Sir, I'd may guide kayo. Thor de Guzman, Sir, XLM po. Thanks, sir. Let's check out XLM. Is this crypto? Sumasabay siya sa Bitcoin na pattern. So, ganito lang guys ha. Abangan nyo sa Bitcoin. If ever Bitcoin rallies, then this crypto should follow suit, right? This will go beyond technical analysis. Tignan nyo lang si Bitcoin and then you react accordingly. If ever mag-rally si Bitcoin and you should follow within a day, at least may delay ito. So that's where you get in. Okay. ADA USDT po. Thank you. Same with ADA. ADA USDT. They follow suit kay crypto. Medyo huli lang yung downfall niya pero napansin nyo nung bumagsak si Bitcoin. Bumagsak rin ito. If Bitcoin stabilizes and creates a support, this should create a support also and that's where you want to get in ADA. Right now, di ba may nag-question sa inyo about ADA before. I told you not to get in and then there it is. It dropped because it is showing bearish signals already. For now, it's volatile and looking like it's on a downtrend. Stay away from it. It's on a downtrend. Right? Lower lows. Somehow our highs is still low. Pag may nakita din pula dyan, then that's gonna confirm the downtrend. It's not gonna be an entry for us. Stay away from it lang muna. Marilu Rubio, wow. Alexis Lopez, good evening po sir. AP and MPI po. Si AP medyo nakalipad na. I did recommend AP before on the earlier days, months even, when AP was still forming this support right here, this one right here. Ngayon, medyo it's already up there. Alright, nakalipad na to. Not my kind of trading anymore. Anything can happen at this point kasi, and especially with our market, you don't have to be aggressive. I don't want to be aggressive on uptrends when it comes to this kind of market. So I will stay away from AP. MPI naman po. Let's check out MPI. Sa MPI, let it break out lang muna. Less likely to break out because of the current market status. But if it does break out with volume, then that's gonna be your entry point for MPI. Alright. Most likely, pwede natin pulutin to ulit sa MPI sa baba pag nag-downturn na market. Nachi, hi sir. My trade legit? I cannot comment on it because I haven't checked it out yet. To be fair with them, as long as they have the license, if ever you ask for their license, if they're registered na brokerage talaga, then they should be okay. I haven't tried it yet. Jepoy Gagarin, sir. Good evening. Pasuyo naman po si SPCE. Alright, so Space. Mukhang nasa magandang position na. Thank you. Let's check out Space. Virgin Galactic. Yan. Virgin Galactic Holdings. Mukhang magandang position. Let's check it out. Yeah, man. Good find. I would say that's a buy right there. If you don't want to be aggressive, if you don't want to buy right now, wait for the breakout. Ganun lang. Right? So, but the support is looking well, man. May RSI signals na tayo. That's a support right there. I would say yes. That's a good position. Ran, Tabilas, Nasdaq po, sir. NSDQ 100 ba? Ran, did you ask something earlier? Nag-split at ang JogX. Or are you asking for Nasdaq 100? This one mismo? Nasdaq 100, medyo we're already playing inside Bollinger Bands. So medyo mahina na siya. I'm expecting Nasdaq to really do a pullback anytime soon. Grabe, Nasdaq 100. This is the reason why I love this. This is the reason why I love Nasdaq 100. Nakita niyo po yan. Tech stocks, namamayagpak. Natakot nga ako dito on this resistance right here. And lo and behold, umakyat pa. Right? I'm just waiting for Nasdaq to really dip again in the future. I'm gonna be selling all my positions if ever mag-break siya na MA20. And then, wait for it to really pull back and open positions again once it is dropped. It has dropped. Because wala naman forever. Magda-drop po yan ng ganito. So, it should happen anytime soon since sobrang lakas na akyat ng Nasdaq 100. Emily Gutiano, good evening. Ayan, si Emily nakahabol sa atin ngayon. John Delica, Sir Lloyd, pasilip na mo na actual account nyo. Sir, using Valkyrie. Thanks. Alright, pasilip ng actual account ko using Valkyrie. Not just this one. Alright, sure. Let me try if I can connect a power mirror. One moment. Sa mong phone? PC? But your PC is not connected here, my god. So, let me just search for A-Power. A-Power. Mirror. Alright, so yun nga lang yung microphone. Sensya na. Right. Let me see if there's a way I can control. Check. Yan. So, at least yung browser hindi na nagsishow. But is the stream okay? Ayan, okay. So, let me open my puro games no? I'm a gamer. Yeah, so this is my this is already my Go Market. So dalawa accounts ko dito sa phone na ito. This is for ito yung mga public accounts kasi. So this is for the XM, the second one is for the MT4. So MetaTrader trader. Let's go to no, this is not the one. Ito yung ano lang to. An demo account. This one right here. Sign in. There it is. So, there are no open positions right now for my MetaTrader. Right, let me just so it is at $534 right now. Walang open positions because it's not trading right now for some reason, but yeah, that's the Valkyrie. This is my public Valkyrie account. Yung isa ko private, so I cannot show it to you guys. So, pasensya na. But this one is right here. Ito yun. Walang open positions right now. But it's already up 534. It should, 534. It should be the same right here. So, yeah. Let me just close the screen share. Alright. Ready for streaming no? But anyways, moving forward, where's the screen for charting? There we go. Alright, AJ. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Please check NEO, Tesla, and LCID. NEO, we have a massive support right here for me, NEO. It's going down to the support right now, so baka mag-support si NEO. We did call this, the next green of NEO will be your buy point. So, good thing, nag-pull back siya. You can test it out here, just cut loss below that for NEO. Alright, so basta next green ni NEO is already the buy. Tesla naman, medyo okay naman si Tesla. Still on an uptrend, nag-pull back lang kahapon. But strong bounce right away. So, it's still a buy right here for Tesla. I would say yes. LCID. Right, LCID, I'm not really sure what happened right here. Bakit nag-gap down? Pero nag-recover na naman kaagad. Engulfing pattern right there. Most probably will create supports anytime soon. So the next bounce, if you want to trade this for Lucid Group, this is just purely technical analysis. Not familiar with the asset, but if this asset is a good company and then it's already cheap, then this technical analysis should be doing well. Cesar Villaruel, good evening, sir, from Taiwan. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. There are chats from YouTube. Dadaanan ko niyan kayan in a bit. Good evening from Taiwan, from Cesar. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Gracie, Melanie, thank you for tagging your friends, sir. Good evening from Art Anthony. Escondo, right? Let's check it out. XEC USDT XEC. And so XEC, I'm not really sure what this crypto is. Wala tayong technical analysis nito. Very volatile at this point. I'm not a fan of this kind. Permit for now. Right. Inigo Tef from Diane La Cuesta. Thank you for lagi ko pinapanood to si Sir Lloyd. Try mo what sa kanya friendship. Thank you for what do you call this? Endorsing me to your friend. Ako si USDT, kamustahin na natin, is still on a downtrend. 3 red days tayo. So it's on a reversal pattern. Longer support. Longer MAs should be holding this still. Pero right now, for it, right? Wala pa tayong data. What support right here? If it respects that, is it gonna be a pattern or anything? At least that. Ganun lang po ang trading ko. Emily, sir, tama kayong entry ko sa break 17.32. Yeah, pattern nito, triangle pattern is 17.32. Okay lang, pullback and then bounce. So that tuloy ito, right? Just yun lang ang problema ko kay Monday. It's already way up there, right? You know my kind of trading, but this is a break. This is a risky position. Why do I main resistance niya maapektuhan? That's why I call it risky. But then again, on the short term, alright, maganda naman to trade na ito. Right, short term trade na lang ito ha. So take profits whenever you can. Right, once you're Eddie Ed, good evening. Lester Cayetana, sir, ano ibig sabihin ng sinasabing let it break out sa MA20? Tama po ba ang dinig? Thanks. Usually I say let it break out lang muna back man sa MA20. You can use kasi MA20 as support sa trends. Right? Entries for MA20s, if MA20 is broken, usually it's a reversal. If MA20 is broken, if it breaks out from the MA20, it's usually a reversal. And look at that, MA20 right there. So MA20 is short term. Since you're asking for trading na short term, yeah, I use MA20s as MA20s. Usually that's a reversal signal, right? And this one is still holding MA20. This one held MA20, so that's good. And tuloy-tuloy pa siya. This one broke MA20, and that's the reversal. Right? So, this one broke MA20, and look at that, what happened. Nagre-reversal, meaning nag-change yung direction ng stocks. Using the MA20 for short term. But yes, kasi medyo risky na talaga yung... Let's go to YouTube. May mga comments sa YouTube. Alibaba. Thanks, let's check out Baba. 9-9 today. Nag-survive damit sa bahay. And para sa ito yung pinagkakanoan ko ngayon. So ngayon kasi ang daming parts. So before the program, chill lang muna pa gandam-gandam. But yeah, Baba at the very least, yeah, nagbe-break siya ng MA20. So those are RSIs looking good. So, you know what a support is? If ever bumalik sa support, that's gonna be a buy. Technically, sa susunod, pwede na tong bodygan. Then cut loss lang below that for Baba. JR Bonifacio, good evening. Dexter Yap watching from Japan. Pa-review po nandito. Thank you for watching kahit andyan kayo sa Japan ngayon. Right, speaking of Japan, yung mga Gundam ko, and from Japan. Gusto ko makapunta sa Japan para puntahan yung Gundam factory. Dito, a fan of Dito anymore. Right? Sinasabi ko sa inyo, maganda si Dito for long term. I tell you when to buy it. Right? Pero ngayon, I'm not a fan of the position. It's at 9 pesos. Napakaganda ibodega sa 6. Bakit natin dito sa 9 ibodega yun? Kung yung mentality dapat for trader. Hopefully, you're still new here. Kaya recommend Dito anymore. Okay? In the future, pag bumaba sa Dito, if may makita tayong mga kung maganda bang bilhin sa Dito. Kasi Dito, ang laki ng asset ko dito. Already expensive up here. Especially Intertelco, hanging the ropes, ng government. So yeah. Not a buy anymore. Sir Megan LTG, what's your thank you? Si LTG, maganda na support nun ah. Alright, so support of LTG, massive. It's 859, but we cannot. Right now, pag nag-green yan, sa susunod na green, you can start buying already. And then, pag bumalik talaga sa support, then you just buy some more. Right? Bodega na ang strategy dito. 850, di ba? Kahit sabihin ko 850 is the massive support. What if hindi maabutan? Right. Sir Lloyd, ano po ang eToro for my US stocks? Diyan po sa video description to create an eToro account. This is for Dexter. Yeah. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Good evening from Rainville. You're welcome. Good evening. World from Ian Paren, Villarreal. Mega World! Pa-breakout na! Tagal ko kayo sa susunod na green dito. Ngayon, pa-breakout na si Meg. let it break out before you want to get in kay Mega World, right? Volume starting to pick up, pero hindi nag-sustain. But yeah, baka bukas mag-breakout ito. That's gonna be your best. Dexter, swap M na micro for Izanagi. Free bang swap for JR? Free lang. Free lang po. Miguel San Diego, SLP, sir. Let's check out SLP. Medyo mga... Then again, this goes beyond technical analysis. Kahit technical analysis natin is showing na meron na tayong divergence. Ilang beses na nag-divergence to si SLP eh. Ang problema kay SLP lang talaga is every day, there are so much, millions of SL players and it's flooding the market and that's causing the drop right now for SLP. Ang tingnan nyo lang sa SLP kung gusto nyo ito umangat, if there are changes in lessen the amount of SLP that is generated to the public. If that happens, SLP will have the chance kasi sobrang dami. SLP, half na lang adventure SLP makukuha. Still, there is a lot to be made in a day and it's flooding the market. And this is the reason why you're seeing the drop right now. Right now, with the current state of the game, I still think SLP is gonna drop. Sir Lloyd, entry po for FLI, Ali and Mer. This is sure. Alright, let's check it out. FLI. Right, again, thank you sa mga nagsasend ng stars. Bigay na yung mga stars ninyo. FLI entry point 1.09 for FLI. Next is Ali, Ayala Land Incorporated. Out here, again, we can't expect for an entry right there. So, baka mag-breakout. This is the major resistance. Let it break out na lang muna before you wanna get in if ever hindi kayo nakapasok sa support. For Ali. Mer naman. Manila Electric Company. Right. Ascending triangle. Very good. Breakout for Mer before you want to get in for short-term trade. My trade is legit registered using their platform. Yes, it is 29. My trade is good also. For local stocks naman for PSEi, I use 2Trade Asia. Sobrang ganda ng platform. Marvin Fernandez, sir, pasilip ng MTCH. Pwede ba kaya i-TP? Baka bumaba pa, 139 ang entry ko. Bakit hindi pa kayo nagtitp kung bumababa na? MTCH. It's not loading. Alright, MTCH. Pumupula siya. 139 entry. Massive win already right here, man. 139. It's now up 13%. You should take some profits right now. Nakita nyo to? Resistance. That's strong resistance right there. So that's what's keeping it from going up. Baka bumaba. So sell some of it. Sell maybe half of your positions. Kay MTCH, Match Group Incorporated. Good find right? Going back to our live here in po. This is from Ishi Marimat. UFC. Right, Wells Fargo. Okay. Ang ganda na support ni Wells Fargo dito. It's dropping. It's still on a downtrend. You don't have to go aggressive on this one. Baka mag-stabilize sa support. Then that is where we make our entry for WFC. Malapit na. Bantayin mo lang. Donut. Dinut. Krispy Kreme. Right, Krispy Kreme. Hirap sabihin eh. Right, engulfing pattern. Pullbacks. Bodega. One thing I can say is bodega. Magandang bodegahin na to. This is buy some and then buy some more if ever bumalik sa support. I would say yes. Emily, bumili ako ng Monday sir sa 9.9 from... Kano nga ba ulit si Monday ngayon? Grabe. Pat on your back. Good job. On buying Monday. Paano mo nabili ng 9? Is it from the IPO? Right? But yeah, if you were able to get in at a lower price, sobrang ganda na ng presyo ni Monday ngayon. Congratulations to you guys. Galing. Hello sir, how about tech? Sir, thanks. This is from Dot Merdiano. Let's check out tech. Good support right here. I would say test out the support. Pag nag-bounce, then cut loss lang below that support just in case it fails for tech. Good find. Divergence is there. RSI divergence, that's what I'm talking about. It's getting better. Congratulations. Sir, anong site maganda magtingin ng current dividend yields ng mga companies sa PH market? This is what I usually do for dividend yields. I go to msn.com. msn.com. Right, make sure you are on the PH site. You know that by the website. May EN English-PH. So that is in English already. I go to money right here, and then I go to asan yung stock screener. Ito, stock screener at the top. Stock screener and dividend yield. Click on dividend yield. Yan. So then from the top nyo lang. So pinakamataas na dividend yield is FP, First Philippine Holdings Corporation, si GMA7, one of my favorites. PLC, Premier Edition Corp, AOB, at yung mga pinakamataas magbigay ng mga dividends. Right? So I use this one para makita ko yung dividends. Pero tignan nyo yung price with the dividends niya. Right? It usually boils to, what if 10 yung binibigay niya pero ang per stock naman na presyo is sobrang mahal. So, check it out. Right? But this is how I look at it. Right? So, there you go. That's to answer that question. Raymond Marquez, hi Sir Lord Green po, ano po technical analysis nyo? Let's check it out. It's 8:48. Oy, bilis ng oras. Green. Michael Hermano, I want to understand this. I'm planning to learn terminologies. What book do you suggest? I'm not a fan of books, right? What I can give you instead is this one right here. Go to my Facebook page, Financial Freedom 101, right? And then this video right here. This is a 2-hour, a 3-hour webinar, right? For everything you need to know as a beginner. You can start here. Okay, beginners for guide for stock market. This is gonna be a good start for you. And also go to stockset.com, our website, stockset.com. Right, so you also take this free course right here. I am more of video kasi, and I can explain more over the video when I talk instead of I think I can write it down. I can make a book in the future, pero ngayon kasi with the media, mas mabilis maka-reach ng mga tao through social media. So video is the best form when it comes to giving out information in social media. That's why pinili ko lang ito. Hindi nyo na kailangan maggumastos ng libro, di ba? Go to stockset.com, get your free course right here. The free course, the modules right here is for free. Tignan nyo yung rating, that has 5 rating. This will help you with your fundamentals, your basic when it comes to understanding the market, understanding economics, right? So this is very important for you guys. Right, check out my page, financialfreedom.com. This is my personal page aside from Stockset. Thank you, sir, dahil nag-live na kayo ulit, sir. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Green nga pala, si Greenergy. Right, Greenergy Holdings. Medyo mahirap pa ang technical analysis kay Greenergy. It's on a downtrend. Most probably at the support, it will form well. So, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it at the support lang muna. Sir, when will it schedule for new IPO discussion? Janer Dianyo. Good point. Most probably next week. Alright, I'll ask Arnel about it for the yung kay Sir Villar na IPO, di ba? So we'll talk about it. Sir, may online class din po ba kayo? I want to learn para di na maging dependent sa ibang tao. Yes po, right? If you want kasi, right, yung seminar kanina na I gave to you, yung link na yun on my page is the basics. But if you wanna learn really step by step about my seminar, right? Ginawa ko ngayon for it to be cheap for everyone. Ginawa ko online na lang and it's already recorded yung online seminar ko. You are gonna be learning everything that I know. I spent so much time, so many years to learn this strategy to be good in trading. Go to patreon.com/elbazar. There's an option there for you to donate and get the seminar right there. It is gonna be worth it. It is 3,000 pesos, yes. Pero binuhos ko lahat ng taon ko dyan. Even effort for that class. That's what recording the best class I did during the time na nagsa-seminar ako. So check it out, patreon.com/elbazar. I want to understand the terminologies. Ayan. Yung seminar na yan is more of intermediate na. Alright, the starting, yung pinaka-umpisa na seminar. this one right here for beginners. You should start with this one, and then once you're already you're familiar with the basics of stock market and in trading, you can go ahead and go for the seminar yung nasa patreon.com. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you. I'll watch it right now. Thank you so much, Lawrence Alfante, sir. How to screen winning stocks? I don't screen winning stocks. My strategy, andyan po yun sa seminar ko. What I do is I only have a handful of stocks, right? I don't screen so many stocks. I only have a handful of stocks that I trade. Yun lang ang tinitrade ko, right? I sometimes add to that handful of stocks that I trade if I have time to study the fundamentals of those companies. I only trade stocks I know by heart. Let's say for example, ngayon, if you're still starting on your first let's say your first month, mag-study ka by heart isang company, let's say GFC or BDO. Know them by heart. And then yun na ang trade ko. Let's say for example, I only have 7 stocks that I know by heart, then I'm gonna be trading these 7 stocks. Right? And then, ang gagawin ko is, every day, I look at these stocks. If they open up if there is a position for these stocks for me to trade them, and I'm gonna be putting money in it. If wala, then wala. Part of trading is also doing nothing. If these stocks that you know by heart don't give you positions, huwag kayo maghanap ng ibang position at doon nyo ilalagay ang pera ninyo. Okay? Kasi mangyayari niyan, yes, naglagay kayo doon. Now, what if next week or 2 weeks from now, yung stock na gusto ninyo or yung kilala ninyo will give you a position at nag-support na siya. Your money is in other stocks already and you're stuck with a stock that you don't really have full-hearted commitment. Wala na kayong pera pambili dito. Right? So, that's what I do. And then if ever I find a stock that is good, I don't get in because it's on an uptrend. What I do is I study that asset first. Study it by heart. Maybe spend a day about that asset. Uy, maganda ang growth potential ito kasi that's one of the reasons why I buy a stock, the growth potential. And then, hantayin ko siyang magbigay ng position sa akin in the future. It will add up to the number of stocks that I love. And then I just filter them out every day. Dadaanan ko yan. It's in the seminar, paano ako mag-filter ng stocks when I trade every day. Okay? Leo Rania, I can vouch for the stocks ed courses, even the premium ones, very worth it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Leo Rania. XRP USDT, sir, thank you. Also, Sol USDT. XRP and Sol has entered the top cap na crypto. So, these are very good. Ishi Marimat, you're welcome. Asa na yun? XRP USDT. It's 855. So, bilis lang to. This is following Bitcoin still. If you notice the pattern, Bitcoin, abangan nyo lang sa Bitcoin. If ever Bitcoin moves or stabilizes, then this should stabilize also. Right now, it's very, these assets are kind of very volatile, so I don't really want to trade this, except for Sol. Sol is on a massive uptrend, but then again, it is way up there. I don't want to buy that, right? Dun tayo sa baba lang muna. For now, Sol is out of the picture. Thanks for the idea, Lawrence Alfante. You're welcome. Leo Rania, thank you so much. Again, if you want to learn more, and andyan po yung course ko, patreon.com/elbazaar, and we have courses in stocks and also. Sanchez Mena Chen. I'm not really sure if I'm reading your what do you call this, your name properly, but sir, good evening. A friend was asking, I just didn't know how to respond. She has investment in crypto. She wants to cash it out na and put it in her bank temporarily, kaso nangangamba na ipitin ng bank. Doesn't really matter, right? If you have crypto, i-withdraw ninyo. If it's from Binance, it will go directly to your bank. Wala silang control dyan. Hindi i-hold nila yan, right? Hindi nila ma-hold yan. Okay. So, just withdraw it, and kung gusto nyo nga, huwag nyo muna ilagay sa bank, you just withdraw it right away and then put it in a different bank. They won't ask saan galing yan. Marvin Fernandez, sir, maganda bang investment ASIN for long term? Ano po estimate nyo na price range ng ASIN after 5 years? I can't say, man. It's not gonna be easy to tell that. I don't trade like that kasi as long as there is growth potential of the company, if yes, it's good for long term, I cannot say hanggang anong price siya ganda as long as the company is doing well. Right? So, yeah. Ano po user-friendly interface ng broker stocks US trading? Tawag dito, eToro is good. GoTrade is good. Right? So those are good stocks. Anyways, hindi ko na masasagot lahat. That's all the time I have available for this evening. Daddy duties muna ako ngayon. Right? After this one. Then again, right? Reminder sa inyo, Izanagi, and Jen and Valkyrie, bot trading if you want passive income, if you wanna dip into the Forex, kasi sobrang laki ng pera na gumagalaw sa loob ng Forex. If you wanna take part of it and you don't want na you have to spend time watching Forex markets, check out Izanagi and Valkyrie. Spend time in learning them first. Andyan sa video description, and if you wanna join them, andyan po yung registration link. Andyan sa registration link yung instructions paano mag-create ng mga accounts for them. Alright? XM has until September 30 lang, double your investment. So this is the right time to get into Izanagi because idodoble yung investment nyo. If you put in $500, XM is gonna give you additional $500 for buying power. Sobrang ganda po ng deal na yan. I hope you take advantage of it. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Stay safe. Vinny Illustre, thank you so much for the stars. Hindi ko napansin. Thank you so much.